Okay, in this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make flip cone in SketchUp. First of all, we have to select the circle right here, and then we can place to the any position, and then we can drag to the another side, and then I just set the radius. It's around 2.5 meter or 2,500 millimeter. Okay, so we can get the rustic edge of this circle. Then we have to make it smooth than before. So we can click this line, outline, and then we can click the segment, and then we can type 64 and enter. So it was better than before about the segmented outline of this circle. Then we can offset it inside by click this plane, and then we can click this offset. Then we can click this outline, and then we can place on this position. Okay, so then we can click this plane, and then we can click this push, and then we can push it up, okay, until this position. Okay, so we can click this inner outline, and then we can see about the whole right here, and then we can click this outline, inner outline, and then we can select a move, and then we can click this outline, and then we can move it until this until flip or inner position like this. Okay, so and then um, we can triple click, right click, and make group. Okay, so and then we can just triple click, click this one, and then copy, edit, copy. Then we can exit from the group, and then we can edit, paste in place, and then we can offset it outside by using the offset tool. Click this one, and then you can click this edge. Then we can offset in this position. Okay, so we can click again. Okay, we can click again. We can click this plane, and then you can click this outline. Then we can move to the upper position. Okay, this one, and we can see. Okay, so we can click this plane again, and then we can select this push and pull, and then we can push up until this position. Maybe it's just a small height right there. We can click this one. Okay, so then we can click this outline, inner outline, and then we can select a move, and then we can click on this edge, and then we can drag based on the blue axis by following the blue axis. Okay, and then click this one. Okay, then we can click this inner side or inner plane, and also we can click and right click and just erase or delete it, so we can get the inclination of this circle plane right there of or flip cone right there. So then we can triple click, right click, and make group, and then we can combine with this object to this object by click this object and select a move. Then we can click this object on this edge, and then we can click and drag based on the blue axis to make it a perfect movement. Then we can place on this position. Okay, then we can get the result of making it, and then we can make it smoother by click this position. Okay, so then we can get the flip cone for making the hole right there. Then we can also use this tool, section plane. Just click this section plane to check it. Then we can click this one and select OK, and then we can click. Then we can move to the correct position. Okay, this one, and then we can okay, we can make it. Okay, I mean this is about the tutorial about how to make flip cone to make the hole. Maybe it used for floor drain or sink for and and many more. So you can use these tools to make that items to make that um, to make that goods for support your work or support your interior or plumbing work anyway. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.